Hello friends, welcome back to chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry. As you know, there are main three concepts in this chapter. The first concept, that is distance formula. Second concept, that is section formula. And the third concept is midpoint formula. In first lecture, we have discussed regarding distance formula. We have also solved many examples, first three illustration as well as exercise number 7.1. So exercise number 7.1 is on the base of distance formula. Well, we have also discussed section formula as well as midpoint formula in last period. According to section formula, the coordinate of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. You can also write this formula in the form of one different symbol, that is lambda. X is equal to lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1. Similarly, you can also write y coordinate. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Or you can write y is equal to lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1. So this is about x coordinate by section formula. Similarly, this is the y coordinate according to section formula. You also know how to find out the midpoint of a line segment. So m midpoint, the coordinates are x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 as well as y1 plus y2 by 2. You can write also x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 as well as y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is regarding section formula as well as midpoint formula. Now let us start to solve some example on the basis of section formula as well as this midpoint formula. Well, illustration number 7. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points A minus 6, 10 and B 3 minus 8. So let me draw one line segment. The name of the line segment is AB. The coordinate of A is minus 6 and 10. The coordinate of B is 3 and minus 8. Now in which ratio does the point? Let me represent this point minus 4, 6 is point P. And the ratio is m ratio n. So in this question, you have to find out the ratio, that is you have to find out the value of m as well as value of n. You know this point P divide the line segment AB in the ratio of m by n, and here you have to find out m and n. So A x1 y1 is equal to minus 6, 10. B x2 y2 is equal to 3 and minus 8. P xy is equal to minus 4 and 6, and your question is m is equal to question mark and n is equal to question mark. Now let us use section formula. You know what is section formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now put the value of x. X means minus 4 is equal to m x2. X2 means 3 plus n. X1 means minus 6 upon, you can write m plus n. So if you cross multiply, you get minus 4 into m plus n is equal to 3m minus 6m. So minus 4m minus 4n is equal to 3m minus 6m. So minus 4m, if you export 3m from right hand side to left hand side, it become minus 3m is equal to minus 6m. This become plus 4n. So this is minus 7m is equal to minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2n. So 7m is equal to 2n. Minus 7m is equal to minus 2n. You can cancel minus sign. So 7m is equal to 2n. Therefore, m upon n is equal to 2 by 7. So the value of m is equal to 2 and the value of n is equal to 7. Well, here I have taken x coordinate. You can also solve this example, means you can also find the value of m and n by using y coordinate. Let me find out the value of m and n by using y coordinate. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So here the y coordinate is 6. So 6 is equal to m. Y2 means minus 8 plus n, and y1 is equal to 10 upon m plus n. Now again cross multiply. Same procedure for x as well as y. So 6m plus 6n is equal to minus 8m plus 10n. So 6m plus 8m is equal to 10n minus 6n. So 6 plus 8 means 14m is equal to 10 minus 6 means 4n. So m upon n is equal to 4 by 14. So m upon n is equal to 2 by 7. So you can write m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 7. So the point minus 4, 6, divide the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio of 2:7. So out of 4 things, 3 things are given to you, that is x1, y1, x2, y2 and xy is given to you. In this example, we have already found out the value of m and n. So very important example on the basis of the examination point of view, how to find out the value of m and n. Well, so the use of section formula. X and y is given to you, x1, y1, x2, y2 is given to you, and how to find out the value of m and n. Now let me solve example number 8. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection. Trisection means a point which divides the given line segment into 3 equal parts, and that's why it is known as what trisection. Bisection, bisect means into equal parts. Similarly, trisection means points which divide line segment into 3 equal parts of the line segment joining the point A 2 minus 2 and B minus 7 4. So first of all, let me draw this figure. So point A, the name of the point is 2 minus 2. The point B is minus 7 and 4. Now you have to find out the point of bisection. Means there are 2 points. Let me say P and Q. So these 2 points divide line segment into 3 equal parts. Let me say the coordinate of P is x dash y dash and coordinate of Q is x double dash y double dash. So in this example, your aim is to find out the coordinate of P as well as the coordinate of Q, and that's why the P and Q, they are the point of bisection which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. So your aim is to find out x dash y dash as well as x double dash y double dash. So in this example, you have to use section formula as well as midpoint formula. You know, when you take P, so this portion become 1 and this portion that become 2. Because AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So P divides, you can also write P divides line segment AB in the ratio of 1:2. So this P divide line segment in the ratio of 1:2. So before P there is 1 part, after P there is 2 parts, and that's why you can say P divides line segment AB in the ratio of 1:2. So here you can say x1 y1 means 2 minus 2, x2 y2 means minus 7 and 4, m and n is 1. So by using section formula you can easily find out the value of x dash and y dash. So let me find out the value of x dash. So x dash is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x dash is equal to, here n is 1, x2 means minus 7 plus n is 2, x1 is 2 upon m plus n means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here it become minus 7 plus 4 upon 3. This gives you minus 3 upon 3. So x dash is equal to minus 1. Now let me find out the value of y dash. So y dash is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So m means 1, y2 means 4 plus n, y1 means minus 2 upon 1 plus 2 means 3. So 4 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 0. So y dash is equal to 0. So the coordinate of P, x dash, y dash is minus 1 and 0. Now from this figure you can easily say Q is the midpoint of QB. Here Q is midpoint of line segment PB. Therefore Q x double dash y double dash is equal to, you know that according to midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x dash means, you know, minus 1 0. This portion is minus 1 0. So you can write minus 1 minus 7 by 2 comma 0 plus 4 by 2 according to midpoint formula. So Q x double dash y double dash is equal to minus 8 by 2 as well as 4 by 2. So your answer is minus 4 and 2. So in illustration number 8, you have to find out the point of trisection, means you have to find out 2 points which divide a line segment into 3 equal parts. So first of all, you have to use section formula. P divide line segment AB in the ratio of 1:2. So this is x1 y1, this one is your x2 y2, m and n is 1 and 2. So you can easily find out the value of x dash and y dash. Now after finding the value of x dash and y dash, here you can conclude that Q is the midpoint of PB. So the coordinate of P is minus 10, coordinate of B is minus 70. So by using these two coordinates, by using midpoint formula, you can easily find out the coordinate of Q. So the conclusion of this example is the point of trisection are minus 10, that is x dash y dash, and minus 4 2, that is x double dash y double dash. Well, so today we have solved only 2 examples. The first one, illustration number 7, that is how to find out the value of m and n. And in second example, we have find out the coordinate of point of trisection, how to find out the value of P, x dash y dash. Similarly, coordinate of Q, that is x double dash y double dash. Well, so in next class we will solve example number, illustration number 9, 10, and then we will start exercise number 7.2 of chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry. Thank you friends, thank you.